Yeah, this is how you gonna install a Delta dual flush toilet about 17 inches tall off the ground. Let's do it, big dog.
Yep. It's time to replace this toilet, son. I'm tired of taking them low riding shits. Let's do it.
No! I ain't got nowhere to take a shit right now! Fuck! Yeah, boy, she's sharp! She's sharp, boy! I can't wait to take me one of those big old fat shits! Yes, sir! Yeah, now that's how you install that toilet, big dog! And if this helps you, yeah, you hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell. You know, one right up there in the corner